Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies. Hi my beautiful friends. Today my friends, I'm going to show you how to make hair removal soap at home that will remove any unwanted body hair, and I'm going to try it on thin hair and also on a very thick hair, and in just 3 minutes the hair will fall out because it will weaken the hair and you'll find it all falls out and you will get a very smooth skin with no pain at all. So the first thing we'll need is any soap bar you do have. You need to shred it like so or cut it in cubes, and then we need to place it underneath hot water to use the double boiler method to melt the soap. And while melting the soap, we need to add 1 tablespoon of barium sulfate and then add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, and mix well until you find all the ingredients combined well and mixed very well like so. Now take the soap mold and grease it with petroleum jelly and place the mixture in it like so. And now we need to freeze it for 30 minutes and it's going to be ready to use. After 30 minutes, take out and take it out the mold like so, very easily, and it's ready to use. Now start rub the skin with it, the skin that has the unwanted hair. And now I'm going to try it on my arm, which has thin hair like so. So rub it on it like that for just 2 minutes, and you can apply a little bit of water or spray with water and apply the soap. And in just 2 minutes, as you can tell, it removed all the hair. And now I'm going to try it on the thick hair, like for the armpits. As you can tell, I do have thick hair, and start rub the soap like so, the same way, and it just take 3 minutes to remove all the unwanted hair and leave your skin very smooth. And now wipe it off with a tissue paper. And look my friends, at the tissue paper, all the hair fall out. It became very weak, and I'm trying to get that in focus. So all the hair fallen out and leave the skin very smooth. I hope this video will help you too. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any of upcoming effective remedies like that.
So that was it guys today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those, that will help me a lot. And I'll see you in my next video. I love you.